Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we are going to discuss indefinite integration, JEE Mains and MSET. On other competitive exams also, these questions it will be helpful. First question we have to discuss now. Integral 1 by x into square root of x minus 1 by x plus 1 into dx. See here, in the square root of x minus 1 by x plus 1, here you have to do that multiplying and dividing by x minus 1 to the under root value. Then after that you can split into two integrals. See here, integral 1 by x into square root of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into dx. After that it will becomes integral 1 by x into square root of x minus 1 whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square into dx. In the numerator, square and root will be cancelled for this term. So it will becomes integral 1 by x into square root of x minus 1 whole square divided by square root of x square minus 1 into dx. Now for the numerator, square and root will be cancelled. Integral 1 into x minus 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1 into dx. After that, split into two integrals, which is equal to integral x divided by x into this value square root of x square minus 1 into dx minus integral minus 1 by x into square root of 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 into dx. So x get cancelled, which is equal to integral 1 by square root of x square minus 1 into dx minus integral 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 into dx. We know that integral 1 by square root of x square minus 1 into dx is cos h inverse x according to the option. Sometimes in options they will give log mod x plus root of x square minus 1 also. Even you can write it in terms of log. So but according to the option it is having cos h inverse x, cos hyperbolic inverse function, minus integral 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 dx is secant inverse x plus c. So cos h inverse x minus secant inverse of x plus c, which is there in the first option. We'll move to the next question. The next question, integral 3 power minus log x square to the base 9 into dx. Once again I'll repeat, integral 3 power minus log x square to the base 9 into dx. So here first, integral 3 power minus log x square 9 can be written as 3 square into dx. After writing of this step, this value by using formula, we have the formula from logarithms. Log a power m to the base b power n can be written as m by n into log a to the base b. This is one of the formulas. By using this formula, this can be written as integral 3 power minus, in place of m and n, 2 and 2 is there, no? So 2 by 2 log x to the base 3 into dx. So here 2 get cancelled, which is equal to integral 3 power minus log x to the base 3 into dx. After that, here minus is there. I am taking into the power of x by using this formula. M log a can be written as log a power m, where m is here minus 1. So we can write it as integral 3 power log x power minus 1 to the base 3 into dx. So this also can be written as integral 3 power log x power minus 1 means 1 by x to the base 3 into dx. Again, by using the formula a power log f of x to the base a is equal to f of x. So by using this formula, it is in the form of 3 power a power log f of x to the base a, where a is equal to 3 here. So f of x is what? 1 by x. So by using this formula, it will becomes integral f of x value is 1 by x. What is integral 1 by x? Integral 1 by x is log mod x plus c. So log mod x plus c, which is there in the second option. We'll move to the next question. The next question, integral e power x minus 1 plus x power e minus 1 divided by e power x plus x power e into dx. It's a very logical question. See here, e power x, whose derivative is e power x only. X power e, it is in the form of x power n. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. X power e derivative is e into x power e minus 1. X power e minus 1 is there, but e is not there. So what we have to do is multiplying and dividing by e to the numerator and denominator. See here, 1 by e, here dividing by e, multiplying by e power x minus 1 plus x e power minus 1 divided by e power x plus x power e into dx. So which is equal to 1 by e, actual multiplication, bases are equal, power should be added. E into e power x minus 1 plus e into x power e minus 1 divided by e power x plus x power e into dx. Bases are equal, power should be added. It will becomes 1 by e integral e power x. Here e means e power 1, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, bases are equal, power should be added, plus e into x power e minus 1 whole divided by e power x plus x power e into dx. After getting of this step, observe carefully, f of x is e power x plus x power e. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x equal to e power x derivative is e power x plus x power e derivative is x power n type. So n into x power n minus 1, e into x power e minus 1, which is there exactly in the numerator. So it is in the form of 1 by e integral f dash of x divided by f of x into dx. We know that formula, which is equal to 1 by e into integral f dash of x by f of x dx is log mod f of x only, no? Log mod f of x plus c. What is f of x here? So which is equal to 1 by e into log mod e power x plus x power e plus c. So 1 by e into log mod e power x plus x power e plus c. It is there in the second option. This is the turning step, multiplying and dividing by e to get in the form of f dash of integral f dash of x by f of x into dx. We'll move to the next question. question. Integral e power x into secant x into secant x into 1 plus x tan x dx. See here, given integral is integral e power x into secant x into actual multiplication. You have to do that. So secant x into 1 is secant x plus x into secant x into tan x into dx. By observing the options, in all the options e power x secant x is there. So x secant x, you have to assume that put x into secant x is equal to t. X into secant x, here this is u, this is v. Applying uv formula of differentiation, product rule, differentiate with respect to x. So x into secant x derivative is secant x tan x plus secant x into x derivative is 1 equal to t derivative with respect to x is dt by dx. Now cross multiplying, secant x into 1 is secant x plus x into secant x tan x into dx is equal to dt. So in play from here to here it will become as dt only, no? Therefore the given integral will becomes integral e power t dt. What is integral e power x? E power x. So integral e power t is e power t plus c, which is equal to e power x secant x plus c. So e power x secant x plus c, which is there in the first option. We will move to the next question. The next question. Integral 1 by sin x into square root of sin x into cos x into dx. These are the options. So these type of questions, two questions they will ask. One question is this type. 1 by sin x will be in the denominator. Another type question, cos x will be in the denominator. Both you have to understand that. That type of question also they may chances to ask. Whenever sin x is there in the denominator, sin x is there, what we have to do? Integral 1 by sin x into square root of sin x into cos x. In this under root, multiplying and dividing by whatever the value is there, that we can do that. Multiplying and dividing by sin x into dx. Suppose if it is cos x here, multiplying and dividing by cos x. So now integral 1 by sin x into sin x sin square x, we can take outside of the root, it will become as sin x. So sin x into sin x square root of cos x by sin x is cot x into dx. Integral 1 by sin square x into square root of cot x into dx. 1 by sin square x, cosecant square x divided by root cot x into dx. Now put cot x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. d by dx of cot x minus cosecant square x is equal to dt by dx, cross multiplying, minus cosecant square x dx is equal to dt. But in place of cosecant square x dx, multiplying on both sides by minus cosecant square x dx equal to minus dt. So the numerator value will becomes minus dt by root t. We know that integral 1 by root x is 2 root x. So minus 2 root t plus c. What is t we assume there? Cot x. So minus 2 root cot x plus c. So minus 2 into root cot x plus c, which is there in the third option. We'll move to the next question. The next question. If integral sin 2x by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx equal to k into log of a square cos square x plus b square sin square x plus c, then k equal to, they are asking the value, calculate the value of k. So here in the given integral, sin 2x divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x into dx. This denominator value you can assume as t. Put a square cos square x plus b square sin square x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So a square into d by dx of cos square x, 2 cos x into sin x plus b square into sin square x derivative, 2 cos x into cos x derivative is minus sin x ma. B square into sin square x derivative is 2 sin x. Again sin x derivative is cos x is equal to dt by dx. T derivative with respect to x. 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x take common. 2 sin x into cos x. If you take common 2 sin x cos x here, minus a square will be there. Plus b square. Dx also we can take this side. Dx is equal to dt. We know that 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. That implies that sin 2x into b square minus a square, write a positive term first, into dx is equal to dt. So sin 2x into dx is equal to, that b square minus a square we can take here, 1 by b square minus a square into dt. Now in place of sin 2x dx in the given integral, you have to replace with this value. Therefore, integral sin 2x divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x into dx is equal to, in place of sin 2x dx you have to replace with this value, 1 by b square minus a square into dx. This value is t, we assume that. So 1 by t into dt. Anyway, this is constant, we can take outside. 1 by b square minus a square into integral 1 by t dt. Integral 1 by x is log mod x. So 1 by b square minus a square into log mod t plus c. In place of t, substitute this value. So which is equal to 1 by b square minus a square into log mod a square cos square x plus b square sin square x into dx plus c. Now this value you have to compare with this k into log mod a square cos square x plus b square sin square x plus c. So k into log of a square cos square x plus b square sin square x plus c. So by comparing these, k equal to 1 by b square minus a square. We conclude that the value of k is 1 by b square minus a square. It is there in the first option, clearly. We will move to the next question. The next question. Integral square root of 1 plus root x by root x into dx. So whenever root x are there, denominator root x is there, root x is equal to t. See here, put root x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x is equal to t derivative with respect to x, dt by dx. So cross multiply 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to dt. But I want only 1 by root x into dx. So 2 we can take here. 1 by root x into dx is equal to 2 dt. Now in the given integral, in place of 1 by root x into dx, like this you have to write it. Square root of 1 plus root x into 1 by root x into dx. The given integral we can write like this. In place of 1 by root x into dx, you have to replace with 2 dt. And the rest of the term, integral square root of 1 plus t. Root x is equal to t now. So it will become like this, 2 dt. So 2 constant you can take outside, 2 into integral root of 1 plus t into dt. Again it is looking like integral root x into dx. Integral root x is 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. So now in place of x 1 plus t is there now. So 2 into 2 by 3, 1 plus t whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So 2 into 2 by 3 is 4 by 3. 1 plus t value is what? Root x whole power 3 by 2. That can be written as whole power 1 by 2 whole power 3 we can write now. Why we are writing like this? Whole power 1 by 2 means in terms of root is there options. That is the reason we are writing like this. So 4 by 3 whole power 1 by 2 means square root of 1 plus root x whole power 3 plus c. 4 by 3 into square root of 1 plus root x whole power 3 plus c, which is there in the second option. We will move to the next question. Next question here. Integral 10 into x power 9 plus 10 power x into log 10 to the base c divided by 10 power x plus x power 10 into dx. Whenever like these questions are there, first we have to verify what is the derivative of numerator and denominator. First you have to verify. Is there any possibility of derivatives of each other, numerator and denominator? Suppose if you are assuming here f of x is denominator, I am taking as 10 power x plus x power 10. X power 10. So what will come here? The derivative of differentiate with respect to x. F of x derivative is f dash of x. 10 power x, it is in the form of a power x. A power x derivative is what? A power x into log a. So 10 power x into log 10 to the base e plus x power 10. It is in the form of x power n. Divide x of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. So 10 into x power 10 minus 1 is 9. So it is exactly 10 power x into log 10 to the base e plus 10 into x power 9, which is there in the numerator. That means f dash of x divided by f of x into dx. We know that formula. Integral f dash of x by f of x dx is log mod f of x. So log mod f of x plus c, which is equal to log mod. What is f of x here? We assume that 10 power x plus x power 10 plus c. So log mod 10 power x plus x power 10, which is there exactly in the first option. First and fourth options are similar, but here observe that x power 9 is there. So that is the reason fourth option is not correct. We will come to the next question. This model. Integral x square by square root of 1 minus x power 6 into dx. To evaluate this type of problems, Observe that numerator is x square. In the denominator 1 minus x power 6 is there. Is 1 power you have to increase for the x square. 1 power if you increase means x power 2 plus 1, that is x power 3. So x square, integral x square divided by square root of 1 minus x power 6 in terms of x power 3 we have to write it. So can we write like this, x power 3 whole square into dx? A power m whole power m, a power mn. So put x power 3 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. X power 3 derivative is 3x square is equal to dt by dx, cross multiply. So 3x square into dx is equal to dt. But I want only x square dx now. So 3 we can take here. X square dx is equal to dt by 3. So in place of numerator, we have to replace with dt by 3. So dt by 3 means 1 by 3 by square root of 1 minus t square. Integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is sine inverse x. So which is equal to 1 by 3 sine inverse of t plus c. In place of t, what we assume there, we can write it here. 1 by 3 sine inverse of x power 3 plus c. So 1 by 3 sine inverse of x power 3, which is there in the third option. 1 by 3 sine inverse of x cube plus c. We move to the next question. Next question. Integral 3 power 3x into 3 power x into 3 power x into dx equal to. So shortcut formula once observe that, easy to tell that. By seeing only you can say that. How many times it will be there? 3 times is there. So 3 power 3x, 3 power x. So 3 times is there means, which one is highest power function here? 3 power x. So this value divided by how many times it is repeating? 3 power x derivative is what? 3 power x into log 3. So log 3 is the constant. So 3 power 3x divided by log 3. How many times it is there? 3 times. 3 power x by log 3 whole cube. After integration plus c. So how it will be that fourth option? We will see that. Take this value as t. Put 3 power x is equal to t. It is in the form of 3 power, this is completely function, a power x. What is the derivative of a power x? A power x into log a. So differentiate with respect to x. 3 power x derivative is 3 power x into log 3. After that into this function you have to differentiate it. So 3 power x derivative is 3 power x into log 3. Again this function you have to differentiate. What is derivative of 3 power x? 3 power x into log 3. Again x derivative is 1. So t derivative is dt by dx. Now log 3 into log 3 into log 3. Log 3 whole cube. That implies that 3 power 3x into 3 power 3x into 3 power x into log 3 whole cube cross multiply. So into dx is equal to dt. But in the given question this value except so log 3 whole cube we are taking here 3 power x into 3 power x into 3 power x into dx is equal to dt divided by log 3 whole cube. Now the given integral will becomes, therefore integral, in place of this you have to replace with this value only. So dt by log 3 whole cube, which is equal to log 1 by log 3 whole cube is constant, you can take outside. 1 by log 3 whole cube into integral dt. What is integral dx? X. Integral dt is t. So 1 by log 3 whole cube into t plus c. What is t? We assume there. T is equal to the given function, this one. So 3 power x divided by log 3 to the base c whole cube, or simply log 3 whole cube plus c, which is there in the fourth option. Suppose 4 times is there repeating like this. 3 power x into like this, it will be there 4 times. So the answer will be 3 power x by log 3 whole power 4. Like this it will be. Suppose n times is there, n times you have to write it. That is the logic behind that. This is the general procedure. We'll move to the next question. The next question here. Integral x plus arc cos 3x whole square by square root of 1 minus 9x square into dx. See, first you have to split into two integrals and then integrate. The options are not given. This is the general question. So, integral x divided by square root of 1 minus 9x square into dx plus integral arc cos x, that means cos inverse of 3x whole square divided by square root of 1 minus 9x square, that can be written as 1 minus 9x square can be written as 3x whole square. Can we write like this? Is it possible to write or not? We can write it. After that, observe the first integral 1 minus 9x square. What is the derivative of 1 minus 9x square? The derivative of 1 minus 9x square is minus 18x. 1 minus 9x square derivative d by dx of, so minus 18x, constant derivative 0, minus 9 into x square derivative is 2x, minus 9 into 2x is minus 18x. But in the given integral numerator x is there, so multiplying and dividing by minus 18 to the numerator and denominator. Otherwise, before integration symbol, after integration symbol, here I am writing minus 18x. That means multiplying by minus 18, dividing by minus 18. There is no change at all. And to get the formula form also, we are doing like this. 1 minus 9x square into dx. The first term completed. Plus, in the second term, this is about first integral. Come to the second integral. In the second integral part, cos inverse of 3x is equal to some t, you can take that. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus 3x whole square. Again 3x you have to differentiate. 3x derivative is 3 into dx is equal to dt. But we want here 1 by root of 1 minus 3x whole square only. So minus 3 also we can take that sign. So dx by square root of 1 minus 3x whole square is equal to minus dt by 3. This is about second term. So in place of 1 by root of 1 minus 3x whole square dx, you have to replace with minus 1 by 3 into dt. Cos inverse of 3x value is t. So t square. In this, f dash of x by root f of x minus 1 by 18 into integral f dash of x divided by root f of x into dx. Minus into plus is minus 1 by 3 integral t square into dt, which is equal to minus 1 by 18 integral f dash of x by root f of x is 2 root f of x minus 1 by 3 into integral t square dt, t power 3 divided by 3 plus c, What is f of x here? F of x is 1 minus 9x squared. So 2 ones are 2 nines are minus 1 by 9 square root of f of x value 1 minus 9x squared minus 1 by 3 into, already 1 by 3 is there, we can take outside. What is t here? Cos inverse of 3x whole power 3 plus c. So which is equal to minus 1 by 9 into square root of 1 minus 9x square minus 1 by 9 into cos inverse of 3x whole cube. So this is the required answer. If you want to take minus 1 by 9, you can take a common and get that. Here f of x 1 minus 9x square, then the derivative will be minus 18x. After that we apply the formula integral f dash of x by root of x dx, this value. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will respond in my free time. Thank you all for watching my channel Maths with Panindra.